Your background, but names on the fly makes it more fun. Because then you have to, a gang that's getting attacked by a drug bust right now.
Get 5 shots. Starting now. When we upload.
Did you hear that?
When we upload.
To... Let's see. I'm so sorry, guys. That burp just like came out. I can't really control it.
I know,
See these
it's
two?
flat. Got it.
Open.
Thank
I'm
you.
a good guy. Woods taught me that.
He taught me that too.
Well, clearly you didn't
I
learn
just
very
didn't
well.
listen.
You need to pull back from.
That's a nice throw.
See, I told you I'm gonna be sick after this video.
Wins the challenge.
Make sure you click that bell icon.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I got you. I understand you. I speak your language.
Did that sound like the ceiling?
Sarcasm.
Woo.
Look how beautiful. I'm gonna be honest, this one's not breaking very well.
Metal, paper, cardboard, candy, glue. There's a bunch of different stuff in there.
Dude, why am I burping so much today?
Childish Pamplico.
Childish.
Okay, go.
Out of all of our future uploads. You wanna know why? Because we
That's
upload
really
videos.
good. We're doing cake glitter
Wait, can I see
cake.
that? Sorry,
No.
I keep burping.
It's only...
Oh god, you were gross. You were actually gross.
It smells like Doritos and Jell-O.
Kid. Corner.
That was pretty...
Oh! Did you hear that one, Woods?
That's disgusting.
Just wanna buy staples. You wanna buy